Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I will be juicing another round of the wax apple. A couple of days ago, I had a chance to go and clean up the back, harvest some wax apples, and now I bought some bottles, getting ready for my juice fast to go ahead and juice them up. These are 12-ounce bottles that I'm going to be using, preparing for my juice fast and raw fast coming up in January, which is less than 2 weeks away. So I want to kind of get a jump start on that. So the day that I decided to do the trimming on my side and harvest up the fruits, I guess the owner of the tree must have been out there watching me clean up that part, and they decided to come behind me and just totally cut down the whole, well, not the whole tree, but they basically they massacred the tree. Let me let you guys take a look at what I'm talking about. So that's the tree now. So the day after I did my cleaning, they came and pretty much chopped the tree pretty much down. I don't even know if this is considered a pruning, but yeah, so that's the wax apple tree now. It's just like literally nothing. There was still a lot of fruits on there that I could have harvested on my side, and now I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't harvest it. So now this is all that we have left. Just a few fruits. And it really does make a very delicious juice. I hate when they chop my tree. So anyway, I'm now just gonna juice what I have, and I'm blessed to have what I have, so I'm grateful for that. I'm also gonna add a touch of ginger to the juice. The last time I didn't get a chance to add the ginger, but now this time I have ginger. All right, guys, we have two 12-ounce bottles of wax apple juice, plus what I'm gonna drink right now to get health. You know the motto on the page. Woo. Each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.